The ASUS ROG 10 Pro is built for people who expect absolute power from a smartphone. From the moment you hold it, the premium design, aggressive gaming aesthetics, and solid build quality make it clear that this is a true flagship device. Every detail feels carefully crafted to deliver a premium experience for gamers, creators, and power users alike. The large AMOLED display is simply stunning, offering vibrant colors, deep blacks, razor-sharp details, and an ultra-smooth high refresh rate that makes every swipe, animation, and game feel incredibly fluid. Whether you're watching HDR movies, editing videos, or playing competitive games, the visual experience is nothing short of spectacular. Performance is where the ASUS ROG 10 Pro truly dominates. Equipped with the latest flagship processor, massive RAM, and ultra-fast storage, this smartphone handles everything effortlessly. Heavy multitasking, 4K video editing, console-level gaming, and demanding applications run with incredible speed and stability. Even after long gaming sessions, the advanced cooling system helps maintain consistent performance without significant throttling. Gaming features take the experience to another level. Responsive air triggers, customizable controls, immersive stereo speakers, precise haptic feedback, and gaming optimization tools create a console-like experience in the palm of your hand. Every explosion, footstep, and movement feels more realistic, giving competitive players a genuine advantage. The camera system also delivers impressive results. Daylight photos are packed with detail, vibrant colors, and excellent dynamic range, while low-light photography remains clean and sharp thanks to advanced image processing. The ultra-wide camera captures beautiful landscapes, and the front camera produces crisp selfies with natural skin tones. Video recording is smooth, stabilized, and professional enough for vloggers and content creators. Battery life is another major highlight. The massive battery easily powers through a full day of intensive gaming, streaming, and multitasking. When it's finally time to recharge, the ultra-fast charging technology gets you back in action quickly, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. The software experience feels polished, responsive, and highly customizable. Users can switch between a clean Android interface and a gaming-focused environment, allowing the phone to adapt perfectly to work, entertainment, or competitive gaming. Overall, the ASUS ROG 10 Pro is a powerhouse that combines elite performance, an exceptional display, premium cameras, outstanding battery life, and industry-leading gaming features into one incredible package. If you're searching for a smartphone that delivers flagship performance without compromise and stands among the most powerful gaming phones available, the ASUS ROG 10 Pro is an outstanding choice that exceeds expectations in nearly every category.